Welcome back to the channel. Today we are checking out a few leather strap options from Martin and our friends over at StrapsCo, featuring two DASSARI premium Saffiano straps along with a perforated rally strap for the Speedmaster. We'll start out with the Bordeaux Saffiano, which adds a rich, refined look with a premium textured finish that feels modern without being overly flashy. Then we'll take a look at the ivory perforated rally strap, bringing a more vintage motorsport inspired feel that fits the Speedmaster kind of perfectly. We then finish with the graphite Saffiano, which gives the watch a much cleaner, stealthier appearance. Personally, I prefer the graphite, but both colors pair extremely well with this watch. All of these use the quick release spring bars, so changing straps takes just a second. Thanks for watching. Let's get into it.